Hey, everyone! Have you ever thought about what it would be like to not have a safe and comfortable place to call home? It's really tough, right? But don't worry, because there are people out there who are working to help those in need. New Story is a company that builds homes for those who are too poor to afford them. They've already built over 2,700 homes, but they needed a faster way to build even more. That's when they started working with a 3D printing company. Using a giant machine, they can squeeze out layers and layers of concrete to build a house in just 24 hours. And the best part? These 3D printed homes are super strong and can withstand even earthquakes. So now, more and more people can have a safe and comfortable place to call home. Isn't that amazing? Join us in learning more about this awesome technology and the good people who are using it to help those in need. Making arms from plastic toys. Do you like to play with plastic bricks? They're fun toys we can use to build things. But for David, plastic bricks aren't just a toy. They're his tool to change lives. When David was born, his right arm was much smaller than his left arm. Other kids would bully him about his smaller arm, and their words made him feel bad. David's parents wanted to buy him a fake arm, but they were too expensive. But at home, David loved to play with plastic bricks. And one day, he had an idea. Could he use these toys to build an arm? First, David built a simple arm. It looked cool, but he knew he could do better. So he built another arm, with fingers that could grab things. His new arm was useful. People were surprised David used toys to build such a great arm. And his new arm was not expensive. David wants to help people like him. So now he builds arms for other people too. And they're not expensive. All thanks to a few tiny plastic bricks. David's story shows that even the smallest things can make a big difference. What can you create with your toys? We're going to talk about a special goldfish in France. This goldfish is not like any other goldfish you have seen before. What's so special about it? Well, it's really, really big. Usually, goldfish weigh about half a kilogram or less. They are pretty, small, and cute. Sometimes you see them in little fish bowls swimming around. But not this goldfish named Carrot. Carrot weighs 30 kilograms. Can you imagine a goldfish as big as that? The fish was small when it was first put into a lake 20 years ago as a baby. In those 20 years, it grew and grew. A man named Andy Hackett caught the fish. I bet it was hard to catch. But what did Andy do with the giant fish after he caught it? Did he chop Carrot up and give some to his friends? Did he put it on a big barbecue and eat it? Did he put Carrot in a zoo? No, he didn't do any of these things. So, what did Andy do with the giant fish? He put Carrot back in the lake. He just caught the fish for fun. I wonder how big Carrot will be the next time someone catches it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.